Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, hey, I've got something from Malaysia. This is the MyKuali white fish broth noodle. This was on the top 10 list in 2020. I'm guessing it'll be on the top 10 list in 2021. I don't know, but I'm recording this before that list comes out, but by the time you see this, it'll be out. But yeah, so what a weird day. Let me just say, this has been a freaking weird day, okay? So we got non-dairy creamer. Is it tight? That's tight. That's tight. We've got the paste, and we've got a garnish. And we've got, yeah, you didn't get done. Put this noodle in here and give it its due 3 minutes. Hop back on that fire. So, yeah, what's weird about today? Man, so first thing, I come out annually with the Ramenator's top 10 spiciest instant noodles of all time. Last year's was the 2021 edition. Anyways, so there are these guys that I've like known for a little while. They seem like nice guys, and they would every once in a while ask me about noodles and this and that. It's like, how spicy is that? Because they do the spicy stuff. I'm like, cool. I promoted them every once in a while. And today I noticed they came out with the top 10 spiciest instant noodles of all time 2021 edition. Well, isn't that my line? So I was like, dude, you're ripping off my title. And that's like, I don't know, that's like really not cool, because like on YouTube, that's like title and that kind of SEOs everything. So I'm like, hey, can you maybe change it? And I got a barrage of like negativity and this and that. It's just like, wow. So I filed a copyright claim with YouTube, so I guess we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I'm really bummed. I thought these guys were pretty cool. They're from England, and yeah, I just don't understand. But not only that, after like being real jerks about it, they got like some person they know to put a bunch of negative comments on my YouTube channel. So it's just like, okay, so you're sending someone to bother me from your end. I don't know why you're doing that, but it's too bad, you know? But whatever, I guess that's that. So in other news, what's the other thing I have? Oh yeah, so it'll have definitely gone down by the time you see this. It's supposed to go down tonight. So there's a Facebook group that I've been running for a long time called Instant Noodles, the Ramenator. Well, there's another group. Some people would say it's a competing group, but it's not a competing group. We're not in competition. In fact, the guy who runs the group is a friend of mine, a guy named Victor. And he just hit me up today. He was like, hey, my group's too big. I don't have the time to maintain this thing. Do you want to run it? And I'm like, sure. Yeah, I'll figure it out some way. So Instant Noodles the Ramenator has 4,000 members. His group has 39,000. Yeah. So I've got a couple people that I've met, contacted about being admins, because the idea would be to merge the two groups, but you can't do that on Facebook. I can't just go, okay, this guy and me, we want to like take our two groups and make them into one and have me be the administrator. You can't do that, which is a real bummer. And I looked and I found a thread talking about that, and a bunch of people it just ended up being like a bunch of squalor of people like yelling and complaining about YouTube or no, Facebook. So I'm just like, okay, whatever. But that's really neat, you know? Wow, thanks, man. I mean, he's a really nice guy. He's got a new thing he does. It's like, oh man, I should know what. I wish I could think of what it's called. Let me plug that. Okay, don't turn off. Where's Facebook? You can find him on YouTube, and he is. One moment. Yeah, look up the Crawl Space Craftsman. That's his thing. So that's pretty rad. But he does a lot of neat. He does a really diverse range of YouTube videos. So that's cool stuff. I mean, from ramen to like building things to this and that. I mean, yeah. But yeah, weird freaking day. Oh, and that book that I showed you yesterday, or the day before, I can't remember when I showed you the book. It would have been 3 days ago. Anyways, the thumbnail for my post, it got taken down. They only took down the thumbnail on YouTube. They said it was just too racy. It's like, okay, but you didn't take down the video. Although, who knows, that might be not too far behind, but hopefully not. It's art. It's not like meant to be pervy or anything. It's, if anything, it's not pornography. It's grotesque, the cover, you know. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm kind of bummed about that, but they left the video up. They thought the video was fine. Or at least the holy, what do you call it? Algorithm hasn't gotten that far yet. So we'll see. Alright, so we got a bowl of noodles, which, let's switch over back to the camera, reconnecting. So here we are. Yeah, that works. So let's give this a try. This is MyKuali fish broth noodle. I've had this before, but when it comes to stuff being on the top 10, I like to give it another go before it goes back on the top 10, because you never know. I had a problem with one spicy product where they included a sachet and then they took it out and they didn't tell me. And that really, really sucked. So, cheers. All right. Look at that stuff. Nice and thick. It's like a seafood chowder. I really like it. It's like I'm really stoked on this one. I love Malaysian varieties, and this is a really good one. Okay, you can see it good. I'm gonna throw in a little bit of mung bean sprout because, you know, that's a thing I really enjoy. And I'm gonna throw in some coriander. And I am going to put in I've got some smoked salmon. It just sounded like a neat idea. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it'll be good. I really like smoked salmon. This is wild Alaska caught smoked salmon, I think. It's from the store. It comes in a big old blister pack. It's good stuff. But have some fun up there. I don't know. I'm not to harp on it, but it's just like, it's so disappointing when you have like what you consider like maybe, ooh, pin bone. No bueno. They're like colleagues, you know? There are people that are into the noodle thing, and then they just got really lame. Bums me out. But friends come and go. I guess things happen. I don't know. But good luck to them. And stop doing that. I've said over and over too. Oh yeah, see now I'm harping on it. But their content is excellent. They absolutely deserve way more views. They've only got like 200, I've known them for like, oh that's neat. I've known them for a couple of years and they only have like 200 viewers, and it's like, how? I mean, they spend a lot of time and effort on their content, and to go and do that, it's like, you shouldn't need to do that. You just need to figure your SEO out, guys. You guys really got good stuff going on. I love it. It's great. Bringing glory to the noodle. But especially the spicy noodle, that's their thing. But yeah, you can't do crap like that. That's just untoward, seamy. I'll put the my lovely wife, the eggstress, was feeling under the weather, so I didn't even hit her up last night to make eggs. And I ordered pizza. Well, she did the ordering. I can't figure out that account crap, but she ordered a pizza, and I sent her them funds for the pizza. So I paid for the pizza. She ordered it. So we enjoyed pizza. I got a garlic, sausage, and what do you call it? White sauce. And I ate the whole damn pizza, alright? Okay, alright? I did. Thanks, buddy. Say hi to the nice people, Miles.
Hi, nice people.
Are you having...
nice people.
Ah, are you having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome, buddy. Go have fun, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, here we go. Rotato, do your stuff. Alright, cool. So the one you will see tomorrow is Cup Noodles Kaizen Seafood. This is from Germany. So, gussy that one up, do it up for you. So hey, it's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. I didn't read the quote of the day. Oh, dude, I gotta read the quote of the day. From the book Momofuku Ando Speaks, it's kind of like a Ferengi rules of acquisition for instant noodle CEOs. If you like Star Trek, if you don't, that's fine. I'm kind of nerdy. Oh, what are we looking at? competition. More employees. I think we're on 192. Oh, 193. No? Huh? 193. Have you ever thought about the amount of your salary? Have you ever calculated how much an hour your time is worth? All right. See you tomorrow. Bye. Right?